Today I'm going to teach you about Jstor. Jstor is a website that I discovered a few years ago where you can get peer-reviewed sources for your research papers. So for example, if we are searching music, go ahead and search that. It will bring up all these different results that you can spend hours flipping through. But say you need something specific, say you need a journal. You can click on that and you can click the tab that says journal and it'll just give you all the journal articles that are up. If you need a certain date, like say from something from the last 5 years, so that'll be from 2015 to 2020. We'll apply that. And then it narrows your search even more to just stuff from the last 5 years. You can even search it by subject, like say you're looking for something about music and anthropology. You can click on that and it'll give you and it'll narrow your search even more so you have less articles that you are searching through, but still a good amount of information. So let's say you really like this article, so you're going to click on it. Yeah, the content on Jstor isn't that great, so a lot of times you can't really see the content, so you can download it. So you can download it to your computer and it will give you a better view. And then once you're done with it, if you need to cite it, just click Cite this item, and then it gives you MLA, APA, Chicago, and you can just copy and paste the citation you need into your document. So that is basically how it works. Thanks, guys.